Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you through ResBook's agenda view. This is where you can manage your bookings coming in and out of your business each day. Today I'm going to be showing you through how to set the agenda view as your default view, the agenda view itself, filtering bookings by room or property, filtering bookings by booking category, how to check guests in and out, and also which each unique icon means. So if we hop on into ResBook, you can see I'm directed straight to the agenda view on login. I wanted to show you this because if you feel like this view is more interesting for you on your day-to-day operations, then you can set ResBook to take you straight here. To do this, simply head to System Settings, Calendar Settings, and switch the default view to Agenda View. The next time you log in, you'll be displayed with the Agenda View straight away. To get to the calendar from the Agenda View, you can simply click this button here, and the vice versa applies too. If you keep your default set to calendar, you can always navigate to the agenda view using this button located in the same place. Now I'll run through the view itself. Firstly, the agenda view will show you upcoming bookings. These bookings are ordered by arrival date, except for a few exceptions. Those are bookings departing today that have not checked out, or those bookings that currently have guests staying in-house. If I continue to scroll down the page, ResBook will continuously gather bookings and present them to you. You can continue like this for the next calendar year. For each booking, the view will display a booking ID, the booking name, the stock unit or property, a few special icons if they're applicable, a booking category color, arrival date, number of guests and nights, booking total, balance due, booking notes, and the booking's current check-in, check-out status. An important tip is that the booking ID is clickable, so you're free to view or amend details of any booking straight from this view. Now we have a few filters to take advantage of. Firstly, we have the category filter, which is found here. This allows you to filter your upcoming bookings by bookings checking in, those in-house or checking out, those bookings that are confirmed, as well as those that have a balance due. And the last filter is those bookings that are currently still pending confirmation. To apply these filters you've selected, simply hit the Apply button. And if you want to remove these options, simply click on the clear link here. The second filter we have is the Room Property List filter. This allows you to filter upcoming bookings by specific stock units or classifications. Simply find the units in the list you want to filter and select Apply. A handy tip is that you can use both filters together, so you're totally free to filter for something like all pending bookings from the Lakeview unit. Now that we have filtering sorted, you'll notice a few interesting icons alongside bookings, so let's go over them. Currently, the agenda view supports two booking icons. The first one is the agent icon. If an agent's attached to a booking, you will see this icon here. We've also included a handy tooltip which lets you see which agent it is. Avid ResBook users will know that through our channel connections, you can set up agents to automatically attach to bookings. So this can help you keep on top of where the different bookings are coming from day to day. The second icon keeps you aware of any bookings that contain an alert. You can add alerts from the top right-hand side of the booking form from within ResBook. We've also included a little tooltip here, which lets you know the number of alerts. If you wish to view them, simply click on the booking ID and you'll see them on the top of the booking form. A few more tips to know about is that we've included tooltips for any text that does not fit by simply hovering your mouse over a long set of notes. ResBook will give you a pop-up with everything included. If you have multi-room bookings, the property column will show you the first booking's name, with a little +1 or 2, depending on how many extra rooms the guest has booked. Now the final important part to go through is checking guests in and out. The agenda view makes this process the clearest yet in ResBook history, and gives you the option on the right-hand side to manage everything in one place. So when clicking on the check-in button for a guest that has arrived, ResBook will move that booking into the in-house state and raise an invoice for the booking. That booking will then live in that in-house status until the day of their departure. When that day comes around and they're ready to check out, clicking on the checkout button will simply remove the booking from the view, letting you know that the guest is on their way to their next adventure. So to just go over what we've covered here, the agenda view allows you to see upcoming bookings, filter them, see which bookings are from agents and which have alerts, and also check guests in and out. And that's everything you need to know when using the ResBook agenda view. See you next time.